In this video, I am going to show you how to reset a Proform Treadmill. So first of all, what you would like to do is turn off the treadmill first. So locate the power switch near the power cord and turn off the treadmill. Leave it unplugged or leave it plugged as example, unless your model manual says otherwise. So the thing here, or the most annoying thing about resetting a treadmill, is finding the reset pinhole. You would like to look for a small reset pinhole. It's usually on the right side of the console or on the back of the console on older models. You will need a straight paper clip to press it, of course. So as an example, a lot of models have it on the right, as we said, of newer models. So you'd like to look for that pinhole. So once you find it, you'll need the paper clip. Just insert the paper clip into the pinhole, keep the reset button pressed, and while holding it, turn the treadmill back on. Keep holding until the display starts to reset. So once the screen begins restarting, remove the paper clip and wait for the reset to finish. The process can take several minutes depending on the model, so do not unplug the treadmill while it's basically resetting. And after the resets, you may need to again choose your language, connect your Wi-Fi, sign back into your iFit account, adjust any personal settings. Basically, you'll have to set this back up as it used to be. And you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.